Hi guys, today I will show you the easiest method of how to easily open PayPal account in Algeria in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Let's hop in. First visit the PayPal website and click on sign up to get started. Next choose the type of account you want, personal or business based on your needs. Then fill in your personal information, including your full name, email address, and a secure password. You'll receive a confirmation email. Click the link inside to verify your email address. Now, enter your mobile number to receive a verification code. Once you receive it, enter it on the website to confirm your number. After that, link your bank account or credit card so you can start making and receiving payments. To continue, upload identification documents, a scanned copy of your national ID or passport, and proof of address. Finally, complete the verification process. PayPal will make small deposits into your bank account. Just confirm the exact amounts on their site to verify your account. Once verified, you're ready to go.